Hi guys, welcome to Stifle Tech Video Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a YouTube channel. I've already created a video on this before, but because recently YouTube have made a major upgrade to their site, and most of the features that you find in that video you cannot find in YouTube again. That's why I decided to make this video because if you follow that tutorial, you may confuse because some of those features you see in that video you cannot find them in the current YouTube site. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you need a Coco account or Gmail account. If you don't know how to create your Gmail account, I have a video on how to create your Gmail account, and I will put the link in the description. Go and watch that video before you come back to this video. But if you have your Coco account, open it up. If you have just created your Coco account, you will be on this same spot that I am now. If you are on this spot, you click on this Coco apps, then click on YouTube. From there, it will take you to this page, this YouTube page, where you can create your account. You come to this icon on your right and click it. Then click create a channel. You come here to this pop-up and click on get started. Choose how to create your channel, your username or a custom name. We are going to use our username as the name that we use in our Coco account. That is the name that we use to create our Coco account. We're going to create a custom name instead of this one. So you have to, we want to use our username. You click on it. So next work, your channel define create has been created. Upload your profile picture. Why you have this, why you see this picture here is that because I already have a profile picture. You click here to upload your profile picture. From here, it is any picture that you want to use as your profile picture. Choose from your phone. Then click open. When you click open, the picture will upload to your profile. When your picture upload to your profile, scroll down. Here it says tell viewers about your channel. Here you read the description of your channel, what your channel is all about. If you are comedy, your channel is about comedy, you write this channel is about comedy videos, anything about your site. Here, add a link to your site. Sharing links help viewers stay connected with you and your latest video. If you have a website, you put the link here. Put your website link here. Your Facebook link, paste it there. You have Twitter, you have Instagram. Put here. When you finish, you click on save and continue. When you click on save and continue, it will take you to this page where you can upload a video. This is your home page. You click here to upload the video. just select files. Click here to select your file, your video file. You can go to your library where you have your video. Click on video, click on open. These are the videos that I have. You can click any one. The video is now uploaded. As you can see now, here it says finished processing. That is the video has finished uploading. You can add some details here. Here it says title required. That is the title of your. You put the title of your video here. I will name my own as, put my own title as YouTube video. You can name anything. Then put the description, what your video is all about. This video is all about how to create a YouTube channel. Here it says can write up to 500 words. Then you come down here. This way you can upload your custom thumbnail. If you don't have a custom thumbnail by default, YouTube will upload any of this. If you have a custom thumbnail, you click here to upload it. Gain access to this feature. To add custom thumbnail, first verify your video. Here we cannot add our custom thumbnail because we have not yet verified our video. You can click it to verify the video. I have a video on how to verify a YouTube video. I will put the link in the description. You go and watch that video, then come back and watch the video. Later in the future, later on this tutorial, I will show you how to verify. For as of now, let us move on. This way you can choose your playlist. If you have a playlist, you click here to select. If you have a playlist, you see them here. Here it says no playlist available. You click here to create one. Put the title of your playlist. Let's say YouTube video. Then is where you can make your, if you want to make it public, you want to make your video public, everyone can see, make it private, make it on this state private, only you can see on this state, only people that have the link of this video link can see it. Then you click here to create your playlist. If you come down here, you see audience. Is this video made for kids? They say it's required. It's for kids. You click here. It's not for kids. You click here. This video is not for kids. Click here. Then you click next. Click next. Then here, save or public. If you want your video to be private, if you choose private, only you and people you choose can watch your video. Unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. Public, everyone can watch your video. Let us make it private for now. Then you click save. When you click save, it will take you to this channels video, and this upload. These are the videos that we have uploaded. Now, this way you can change your visibility. The video we make private that time, want to change your visibility, come to this tutorial. You can change it here, you can make it on the state, you can make it public. You can set it as premier. You click on this schedule. And we put the time that you want to publish. When the time reach, you will publish. Then you click save. Let's make it public now. Click on this public. Then you click publish. You can see this eye icon means that your video is now published. Anybody can see it. One thing that is very important to know is that how to play around your channel. You can play around your channel through this menu, this dashboard. This videos, the videos that you upload. This playlist. You have playlists or comments, your analytics. You can click it, go back to your channel. Click it to upload video. Click on upload. Click on this icon, go back to your channel. Click on your channel. On your channel, you have the home page, your videos, playlist, channels, discussion, likes, or comments, and about. That's how you can play around your channel. Now it's time to do more customization. You come up over here and click on your channel. Now you click on customize channel. Then click on select the video from your phone. Either you click on your photos. You have photos. You have them here. Here you only have this one photo that is uploaded as a profile picture. You go to gallery. You can select from here. Let us select our channel tag. Let us choose our channel tag from here. Let's put it in it. And you click. And that you click it to adjust. Click it to adjust the crop. This is how it look like on a desktop. This is how it look like on a TV. And this is how it look like on your mobile phone. Then you can make it the way you want. Center it how you want it. When you are okay with it, you click on select. You can see our channel at this set. You can come to this video manager. You take it to these videos so you can do some other things. If you want to edit this profile picture, you come to the profile picture and click on this pencil icon. Then you click on edit. Click on change photo to edit it, to change the picture, or you click on remove to remove the picture. If you want to change this channel art, you come to this pencil icon again and click on it. Click on edit channel art. These are photo that is upload. These are your photos. You click on any of this and click on select photo for your photo. You click on gallery. You can choose your photo. Then you click select. That's how you can change this profile picture on your channel art photos. If you have subscribers, this way you can see how many people subscribe to your channel. You click on this video menu, it will take you to this video page where you have the video. This here icon is a setting icon. You click on here, you can do some more setting here. I have a video on how to use your setting. I will put the video link in the description. Go and watch that video so that you can know everything you need to know about your setting. You click save. That's it about this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, like and share this video for others to enjoy it also. Thank you. See you come your way next time. Bye for now.